Most people choose between SoFi and Wealthfront based on ads and end up with the wrong one for their money. In the next 5 minutes, you'll know exactly which platform fits you in 2026. Both SoFi and Wealthfront are popular fintech platforms promising to grow your money, but they are built for very different types of people. Choosing wrong can lead to lower returns or unused features. Let's start with SoFi. Think of it as a digital bank plus investing. It's an all-in-one financial app. SoFi offers a wide range of services, including high-yield savings and checking accounts, stock and ETF investing, crypto access, credit cards and loans, and automated investing through SoFi Robo. SoFi is ideal for beginners who want everything in one app. People who get paid, save, invest, and spend in one place. It suits users who like flexibility and hands-on control. A key advantage of SoFi is the zero management fees on their automated investing. It also features a clean, beginner-friendly interface. Next, let's look at Wealthfront. This is a pure investing platform focused on optimizing your money automatically, rather than being a full-service bank. Wealthfront focuses on automated portfolio investing, powerful tax loss harvesting, long-term wealth building, and minimal user involvement. Wealthfront is best for passive investors, people who want to set it and forget it, and long-term planners who do not want to trade manually. Wealthfront's key advantage lies in its advanced automation and strong tax efficiency tools, although this comes with an annual management fee. Understanding the fees and costs is crucial when making your decision. SoFi has a $0 management fee on robo-investing and no trading commissions. Wealthfront charges a 0.25% annual management fee. If you invest $10,000, that is about $25 per year, which pays for their advanced automation and tax tools. Which one makes you more money? This depends on your investment style, not the app itself. If you prefer manual control and low fees, SoFi is the better choice for you. If you want maximum automation and long-term optimization, Wealthfront is the platform that works better for you. Let's summarize with a quick decision guide to help you choose the right platform. Choose SoFi if you want banking and investing in one app, you are just starting out, and you want zero management fees on robo-investing. Choose Wealthfront if you prefer passive investing, don't want to manage anything, and are focused on long-term wealth growth through advanced automation. The mistake isn't choosing SoFi or Wealthfront. The mistake is choosing without knowing your goal. If this helped you avoid that mistake, subscribe for more faceless finance breakdowns like this. Your money deserves better decisions.